Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off touch interaction sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, tap the sounds and vibration. In sounds and vibration, scroll down and find the system sounds. Okay, tap this. In system sounds, okay, here you can see the touch interactions. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. To turn on the touch interaction sounds, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on the touch interaction sounds on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to turn off this, okay, you'll have to do is turn off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the touch interaction sounds on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off touch interaction sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.